This is Blake and Jonathan with American Durable, and we're going to give you a quick walkthrough of our bug duster. This is the unit itself, and inside the unit we have our compressor, we have our battery, and we have our control module, which houses the on and off switch. Once you turn the switch on, it activates the light on the control wand, and then to start applying dust, there's actually a separate button that you can kind of throttle off and on to get your dust going. We have a 32-ounce material reservoir, and that's where your dust is stored. And then the bug duster can be utilized a couple different ways. We have a hand strap. Jonathan's going to show us how that works. A couple clips on the unit, and then there's your hand strap application. And the other application we have is a shoulder strap, and that comes as an adjustable strap that also has a shoulder pad, and this would be utilized more for longer periods of use and less fatigue to the applicator or the user. Jonathan's going to show us the shoulder strap, and there you go. The other accessory that also comes with the bug duster is our brass tip, and that comes with a little holder, which we've actually taken off of the bag at this point to show you, and that holds onto your brass tip, and we'll show you a demonstration with and without the tip in our next segment.